Hello dear students, we are here to give you the idea about open elective course Calculus of Variation. Course code is BAS 4603. So basically we will see first what is Calculus of Variation, which is a field of mathematics about solving optimization problems. This is done by minimizing or maximizing functional, so where we want to find out the extreme values, or to solve the dynamic equations based on differential and integral equation forms. This method of calculus of vibration is to solve optimization problems, very useful in mathematics, physics and engineering. Some methods we will see, such as Euler's-Lagrange equation, contents are foundation of calculus of variation, constraint variation problems, multivariate functional, approximate methods as Euler's method, Riesz method and based on initial conditions, finite element method which is applicable for the terms where discretization occurs. Based on all these contents, we will see the solution as open source software, that is MATLAB. We will see the detailed applications as further. So now we will see the applications of calculus of variation to computer engineering and information technologies. We are going to see this method, finite element method, which is useful in numerical solution of boundary value problems in the differential equation. The term is explained here, in which we will see for any object, given object with any shape, we discretize it to the small elements of known shape. For example, rectangle or square or hexagon. Select that small object, apply sequential interpolation, convert this equation to sparse system. After performing the operations, assemble all equations in the single system and apply boundary conditions again. Solve this system and get the improved solution. So you can see the right hand side image, which is converted in the small objects as triangle shape. After applying this system with operations, gives the new improved image using finite element method. Also it is used in optical flow. Optical flow is unpatterned flow or motion of an object. So in which we can use this calculus of variation, where u of xy and v of xy, which are the terms dependent on velocity and the time. TV denoising, that is total variation. So if variation we want to minimize, it is applicable with optimization of x value to get the improved image. Theory of calculus in resolution photography, and some applications are listed here with computer vision problem, computer graphics or total variation denoising, optimal control theory, calculating geodesics. So students are supposed to go through applications in detail. Few are listed here and choose your elective accordingly. Thank you.